education program is conducted by Sports Authority of India in collaboration with Weightlifting Federation of India in order to utilize this lockdown period and to enhance the knowledge of the coaches in many of the ways. Sports Authority of India tried its level best to incorporate the experts in the field of weightlifting. Who will be sharing? So we have with us Mr. Harnam Singh, who is a NIS diploma holder in sports coaching, Commonwealth gold medalist. He was the chief coach of Indian weightlifting coach in Commonwealth Games 2010. Nowadays, he is working as high performance director in Sports Authority of India. So now I request Mr. Harnam Singh to please take over and start the class.
Thank you, Neki sir. I welcome all the coaches to this portal where we are going to give lectures in different topics, and our speakers will be Mr. Pandian, Mr. Ashok, and Mr. D.D. Sharma. So I request each and everyone here speakers in mute position, and if at all they want to have any question in between, please don't disturb the speakers, let them continue. And if you have some observation, you can record your observations and put them to the speaker or to me or the other two speakers who are also online. They will be answering your questions. And I will also request the senior coaches in this portal now joined with us to share their experiences with the young coaches. And even the young coaches, if they know something or something we are talking about, some question is being raised, they can also answer with their experience or with their learning aspects. Secondly, this is the qualified coaches, and you all have learned many things. When Mr. Bariki is the chief coach at Patiala and other coaches are taking their classes, so don't deal yourself as a learning coach. You are a experienced coach as you have joined the service under Sports Authority of India. This is a very good effort done by our Senior Executive Director, Colonel Vishnoi sir, and our Director General. So from the side to enhance the knowledge of the coaches at all the levels, must be very attentive to all these lectures, so that if there is some question put up to you or put up by somebody, you must be able to answer it. You can record your observations in between and put the questions to the speaker. So in some of the classes, we will be taking up very serious topics, just like a talent identification, which is must in sports. So that topics also will be covered. And I will also again request you people that जो experience आप लोगों के पास है, वो भी आप share कीजिए किसी न किसी level पे. हम उसको भी आपके concern को भी हम note करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम ही speaker है तो हम ही बोल रहे हैं. आप लोगों को भी बोलने का पूरा chance रहेगा. So आज का जो topic है involvement of muscle and joints at different phases of classical lifts. ये जो आज का topic Mr. Pandian टेक ओवर लेंगे. So आप प्लीज उनको ध्यान से सुनिए and अपना गेन करने की कोशिश कीजिए, because they are the teacher now pleasantly teaching staffs, having lot of stuff with them. They will be telling to you the practical things which are going to happen in weightlifting. I request Mr. Pandian to take over this session, please.
पांडियन जी, ये सेशन को रिकॉर्ड करना है.
हाँ जी सर, I am recording this session, sir.
Okay, Pandian, please start.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Good morning to all. My name is T. Gyaneshekar Pandian. I am a weightlifting coach at NIS. So today I am going to talk about the various this one minute. Just I will open the slide. Yes. Hello. Yes. Today is our session is about the involvement of muscle and joints at different phases of classical lift.
Yeah, please continue.
Yes, different phases of classical lift. So, as a coach, we have to just see that what are the phases and elements and the muscle and joints related to that. So we'll just start with the preview. Yes, preview, we see the snatch, clean and jerk are the two competitive lifts. Then we see the usage of muscle in various phases of snatch. Then biomechanical and myographical parameters of clean, biomechanical and myographical parameters of jerk. Then characteristic of men and women in 69 kg category. It was the old category. Some research has been done in this regarding. So I've taken that. Then angular degree displacement of ankle, knee and hip joint in the first and second pole. Then the video presentation of snatch, clean and jerk. So then the time for interaction we'll be doing. As a start, we come across the muscle. The muscles are made up of and the researcher has that the muscle is activated is where the
Yeah, देखो.
Hello? Hello, is this clear, sir?
Yeah, okay, please.
Okay, sir, it was just disconnected, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
You can with the phone if at all you are facing some problem with you connect with the phone. I think that will matter.
Okay, sir. Okay. Unfortunately, phone tower is also weak here, sir, in the office. Okay, sir. It's clear means I will start, sir.
Right, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
We'll start with the involvement of muscle and joints at the different phases of classical lift. As we see here, is the spinal cord, is the motor neurons, is the muscle are made up of contracting fibers called motor units, which is stimulated by on spinal motor neuron. The muscle are attached to corresponding. Here consists of somatic motor neuron plus as all the muscle fiber is stimulates. Is the spinal nerve which goes and connects to the muscle. That junction is called neuromuscular junction, and the connection through the spinal cord is the motor neuron. Mr. Henman told that it states that the activity more with the friction of force production will be more. Then first the small motor will be, and then if you come for the next our topic later, the first is considered training exercises. Snatch combines mental concentration, speed, strength, and balance. Snatch is more complex and difficult to learn. The snatch is faster movement than the inner. The users use muscle sections from to so this side is everybody able to see the slides? Please reply anyway.
No, no slide. No,
no, sir, it is not.
Now, sir?
It's
Now it is visible, sir.
not visible.
Now you see?
Yes, sir. No.
Now it is visible.
Somebody sharing
something.
Somebody sharing,
Yes.
that's why.
Started to
Okay.
see.
It is visible now, the slide. Hello?
Share the screen.
Sir, I have given share screen, sir.
Screens. Continue.
It is share, sir?
It's okay now.
It is it visible now, sir?
Yes.
Yes,
please
yes.
Okay.
continue.
Thank you. So, as we see, this is the starting position of the snatch, where we see the various group of muscle which is involved in that. It has given in by the name, the muscle has been marked. But the thing as a coach, we have to see that which is the prime mover and the synergetic, and which is the flexor and extension muscle during these exercises. Now, this first pull, we have to see the major part, the prime mover is during the first starting position and first pull, the prime mover is the quadriceps, and rest muscle, that glute and lower back and latissimus, these are all the do the work of the holding muscles, or we can say that the supporting muscles. This will do the isometric work. Then next phase, next slide, you can see the power position, but in between, I have not given that slide. In between, there is a position called amortization stage, where the opening of joint, only the joint, the knee angle should be maximum opened. The first pull of the snatch is up to the above the knee, and the maximum extension of the knee joint will be done, and the whole weight will be concentrated on the lower back and your upper body parts. And next, when we see this, the power position, there we can see that there is no marked, the muscle is marked in the your legs, because this is the stage, this amortization stage is like transition phase, is like transition phase. So we give some rest to the muscle. As we see in the first video, first slide, you can see that the deltoid, again I will keep the flash slide, you can see that the deltoid muscle is activated in that part. And again, the next slide in the power position, you can see that the deltoid is not activated. The muscle is not working at that stage. Other muscles are the holding muscles. In this stage, all the muscle is this stage phase is the transition phase. Next comes the explosion, explosive phase. In the explosive phase, you can see that which muscle was rested during that phase is the majorly activating that one. You can see the gastrocnemius, this tibia anterior, this deltoid, and the quadriceps and latissimus is the major muscle which gains the height and give the explosive to the barbell. Legs, through legs, the explosion is given, transmitted to the barbell, and we can gain the maximum height. We can see in the next slide, we can see this is the unsupported squat ender. Here, the flexor muscle, we can say the hamstring group is the major. When we reach the pivotless position, this is the muscle which flexor and brings the body down. And the unsupported squat is said the research that in the unsupported squat, the body quadriceps is working as a supporting muscle to the hamstring, but hamstring is the flexor muscle, and other muscles are supporting muscles. Then again, this you can see easily that all the muscle has been shown here because the weight is neutralized here. The first created earlier and the height during the group is shown in the body because it has been weight has been used. See, okay, the primary concepts and get up the fixation of the weight is done. Here the prime mover is the quadriceps, which was now as we see the involvement of in the biomechanical and myographical parameters of preliminary acceleration. The phase so here you can see that at the start phase, the major muscle, the left side, it shows the trapezius, arm biceps, arm triceps, leg biceps, quadriceps, femoris, and calf muscle. So you can see which muscle are working. As we see in the snatch, there is some difference in the utilization and in the various phases because of the grip and the poundage. The varies. There is no role of triceps and biceps during the starting position. The triceps and your femoris and your calf muscles does the beginning. Then the second phase is the pull and the preliminary start. There also you can see the quadriceps and your triceps does the work in this group of muscles. For the phase 2, that is a pull. Then you can see the phase 3 is the amortization phase. This is the where our velocity completely decreases. And this amortization phase, there is a maximum extension of knee was full. That is the second phase. Their amortization phase, what it happens, the angle is the quadriceps is doing the eccentric work, and your quadriceps is doing the eccentric work. The phase 4, you can see the full extension, the calves, quadriceps, and trapezius. Explosion part and to gain the maximum height. It is the pivotless position. It is the point where you are gaining the maximum height and receive the bar. Phase 5, you can see that the legs are working because you are going to descend, and your biceps. This is the muscle because you are going down and you are turning the elbow. So the biceps has been working, and the other muscle has no role in that. You can see these are biomechanical and myographical parameters. Stage, you can see the lifter interacts. Then there is a lot of quadriceps. You about the same parameters of the jerk. You can see that the step has some part in that. Then your triceps in the holding of the in the starting phase. You can see in the down there is shown that it is a half jerk, jerk, and recovery. This last 3 phases is about the recovery. You can say each phases which are the muscle majorly working during these phases. You can see that it is not working. You can see then biceps, the step by step you can see there is the major quadriceps only doing the work in the holding position. These are working during this thing. The major muscle holding is your trapezius during the clean. Then you can see the phase 3. You can see this is the elbow, and so for this extension muscle, you can say this muscle is working. The biceps is working, and triceps is little bit. Let me finish. Then phase
श्याम सिंह म्यूट रखो, म्यूट नहीं है श्याम सिंह। और में म्यूट रखो।
Mr. Pandian, are you there? Pandian.
Hello. You can see here the K is the knee and the individual peculiarities. We can say height, can create the less as we in the is doing with the leg.
Hello.
Hello.
Good
Yes.
morning.
Gospel is above the knee. And this is end. Now you can see that the whole way. Okay, so the rest this is happening in the your face. Now this question you will answer maximum opening of joint will to get.
Somebody is asking what is the difference between powerlifting and
Yes, yes, and to them. Yes. Please. Hello. Yes, yes. It can be. You can refer. Given the strength by Tudor or Booker, it's a good minute one. You can see the fast twitch 5 no.
Thank you.
Okay.
Heavy category है explosive
you can gain the maximum and you transmit the force to your body. So you push more your leg explosion. Both advantage he is taking. But if he is not to gain more, you can do difference. No problem.
To say something about now, I want to extend this and on the form. सेकेंडली, आज शाम को साइंटिफिक 6 बजे तक, उसमें आप लोगों ने ध्यान से रखना है इसको। आपने वो इसी करते हैं तो नीचे पे आपकी कोई आवाज, आपका फोन जो पिकअप नहीं करेगा, तो आप उसको उस पोजीशन में रखना है, क्योंकि उसमें आपका कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है, आप किसी को कुछ पूछ नहीं सकेंगे उसमें, तो आपको उसी पोजीशन में रहना है, उसको रेडी ही रखना है। बिकॉज वहाँ डीजी भी रहेंगे और सीनियर अफसर, अगर आप बीच में कुछ बोलेंगे तो सबको पता चलता है कि कौन बोल रहा है और किसकी आवाज आ रही है। तो इसलिए प्लीज उसको केयरफुली अटेंड करना, और अटेंड सभी लोग करना, क्योंकि इंस्ट्रक्शन है जो साई का, सो मैं अपने सभी कुलीग कोचेस जो स्पेशली जो साई में हैं उन सब के लिए इंस्ट्रक्शंस है कि दे शुड पॉजिटिवली अटेंड द एंड गिव देयर अटेंडेंस। जो चैट में जाके आप गुड मॉर्निंग, आई एम सो एंड सो फ्रॉम सो एंड सो एरिया, सो यू मस्ट राइट एट मेरा गेम ये है, मेरा नाम ये है और मैं इस एरिया में पोस्टेड हूँ प्रेजेंटली। वो 3 चीजें आपने उसमें मेंशन करना है तो आपका अटेंडेंस हो जाएगा। अदरवाइज उसके ऊपर ऑलरेडी इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है साई ने कि उसका सीरियस नोट किया जाएगा। जो attend those classes starting from 5 to 6, and today as minister is coming, so they are logging in at around 4:30 they will be there, everybody will be there in that month, तो आप सब उसको अटेंड करने की कोशिश करना और आपको अपने को लॉग इन करना उसके अंदर। तो today we will wind up this class with thanks to each and everyone who has attended it, and lot of thanks to Mr. Pandian who has explained it very technically. And tomorrow again this class will start at 10 o'clock. Today there were some network problems were there, and it will remain because most of the people now sitting at the home, और नेटवर्क इंडिया में फ्लक्चुएशन रहता है, so ये प्रॉब्लम्स थोड़ा आपको रहेगा। लेकिन अगर कुछ ब्रेकिंग होता है तो आप उस सब्जेक्ट को रिलेट करने की कोशिश कीजिए कि बंदा क्या बोल रहा था, व्हाट इज कंटिन्यूइंग, सो आप अपना सेंस से उसको रिलेट कर लीजिए। कहीं ना कहीं कुछ मिसिंग होगा क्योंकि नेटवर्क की प्रॉब्लम की वजह से, बिकॉज पंडियन वाज कंटिन्यूइंग बट कुछ लोग सुन नहीं पा रहे थे, तो आप लोगों को इंटरलेट करने की कोशिश कीजिए। विल इंप्रूव टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स, until the end we will be getting a lot of and we will be learning a lot of things. So please, thank you again, especially to the senior coaches Mr. Ranjan and Mr. Sukhchan Singh, though are present on the form. So again, thankful to each and talent identification and development. That lecture I will be taking. So I request everyone to be present and be interactive on all the points. Thank you so much.
Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir.
Okay, Pandian, write up, please.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
sir.
thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
These coaching classes are important for new person. Can we attend these classes?